Here's how I make $2,304 per day selling boring PDF guides. So the first thing you want to do is find a PDF guide to create. And this is my #1 strategy on finding PDF guides. And it's just by coming to the software and app called PDF Trend Labs. I'll leave a link to them in the description and pinned comment down below. But essentially, you're going to come here, click generate new ideas. You can choose to literally write, a topic or problem that you have an idea for that you might have gone through personally. I personally don't do that. I just come here and choose typically a niche that I already know works. For me, I know parenting works. So I click parenting, just leave it at 10, generate ideas, and then what's going to happen is PDF Trend Lab will go ahead and literally search the internet for what people are currently searching for right now. So that's why this works so well, because PDF Trend Lab will give you ideas based on, struggles and problems real people are searching for in real time. And if that's the case, it makes sense why when you market a PDF guide that you find right here on PDF Trend Labs will then go ahead and convert, make sales. So typically I just come here, look for the ones that are green. So for example, green right here, 80 out of 100. I'm just gonna save it just because that's a good idea, no matter what the title or whatever is. Never think, why would someone buy something? If the data shows that someone would buy something, then sell it. You get what I'm saying? You don't always have to go with just 80 out of 100. You can literally go with anything above 70. That is a good idea. Save them and just test, because doing this strategy is literally responsible for a huge percent of the $10 million I made last year selling PDF guides. But then the next thing I'll do once I save a bunch of ideas is literally just come here, copy this title right here. So this title says, Parenting in the Age of AI, Preparing Your Child for a Tech-Driven Future. It makes sense that this is something that people are searching for right now, right? Because literally AI is taking over. Once again, that's why PDF Trend Lab is amazing, because it's literally giving you ideas based on what people are searching for in real time, okay? So let's say this is one that I want to go with. I'm going to come here to ChatGPT and then just say, can you make an entire PDF guide for the title? Boom. Just paste it right there, and then ChatGPT will go ahead and give you the entire PDF guide. Literally just like that. So let's say everything looks good for now, because when you're actually creating the PDF guide and designing it, you can always change the content in there, add more, or remove something that you don't like. You get what I'm saying? So for this title, Parenting in the Age of AI, Preparing Your Child for a Tech-Driven Future, that's a bit too long. I want this to hit, you know what I'm saying? Because emotion is what sells a PDF guide. So I'm going to reword this title into something that's more emotional driven and, will make a parent click it and want to buy it. You get what I'm saying? But before I do that, I'm going to find an image that I'll use for the cover of my PDF guide. Now, the image is one of the most important things when it comes to selling the guide, because like I said, emotion is what sells a PDF guide. So on your cover, you typically want to find an image, a copyright-free image. That's why we're using unsplash.com, because you can get copyright-free images here to use for your guide. So typically the image you use, you want it to reflect the pain and the problem that person is going through, or the outcome that they'll receive. You get what I'm saying? So for this one, since it's about kids and AI, let's just do parenting with AI. Let's just see what pops up with that. Boom, boom, boom. Don't find anything there. Let's try AI with kids. Okay, so now I'm seeing something here. I'm seeing something here that I like, okay? Boom, right there. Let's use this one right here. I'm gonna download that, and then simply all I'm going to do is come to Canva and then click create, and then search for document A4, okay? Document A4 is the, document that you want to use, because that's the size of a typical PDF guide. So document A4 portrait, okay? Click that, and then you're simply just gonna drag your image on the first page, because the first page of a PDF guide would be the cover, right? Resize it, and then, make it look however you think is going to look good to a potential customer. Now, the next important part is the title, like I said, right? So how do we create a title that's going to speak to the potential customer? here's what I'm gonna do. So the title that PDF Trend Lab gave us, it's, it's literally pretty much a search term, right? But it's still in that search format, right? So now we want to make it something that people, a real human would click, right? So what I'm gonna do is, just being the creative person that I am, I'm just going to click add a heading, and then I'm going to bring this up here. So typically you want to make your, your heading on a solid background, or, on a background that isn't too busy. So if I put it right here, you'll see that, it's a little too busy because we have so much going on in the background. So I'm going to go with the clean, solid background up here, right? Now, the title, if you want to reword it, you can always ask ChatGPT, can you reword the title of this PDF guide to be more emotional and less words, and just, be punchy and hit right away, right? But I'm a creative person and I've been doing this for a while. So me personally, just by seeing this right here, I'm just gonna go with, don't let AI take over your child. And then maybe I'll even throw in an emoji right here somewhere. Boom, right there. When you see this as a mom, you're more likely to buy this over, just leaving the title like, PDF Trend Lab gave you. Granted, this is something that you probably want to use when you're building your website for free SEO. So you might want to use it in your description because it might boost, organic sales, which, by the way, like you can see in the title, I'm going to show you how to do marketing with $0. Okay, so keep watching this video. But this would be good for SEO when it comes to your description, on your website and stuff like that. So don't fully just ignore this. You get what I'm saying? Don't think that you're just gonna throw it away and say, okay, I'm gonna remake the title and then forget about what PDF Trend Lab gave you. No, PDF Trend Lab is a huge key to being successful with your PDF guide business, at least for me. But if you look at this title and then you look at the title I just created, let me ask you, which one do you think you would click if you were a parent with a child in the new world of AI taking over? Let me know in the comments, seriously, because you have to understand the emotional aspect of, just marketing and making money in general. When people sell things to people, there's an emotional factor that goes into play when, companies and brands are selling things to you. You just don't realize it. So when someone sees, don't let AI take over your child with that emoji, they're going to be triggered with, whoa, they're gonna feel fear. They're gonna feel like, what's going on? My loved one, my baby, this and that. You get what I'm saying? That's the importance of the title and then the cover of your PDF guide as well, because typically this is all you need to run ads, okay? And I'll show you that later on, like I said, so keep watching. Now with this, you can change the white background, change it to whatever you want that's going to make sense, right? So if you want to do a gray or whatever the case is, blue, you can change this to whatever is going to make sense. Let's say we use blue. All I'm going to do is select this, click this, and turn this white, okay? And then I'll bring this down a little bit so it's, aligned together to my liking. So don't let AI take over your child. So maybe this right here, I'll do like an orange text, just to give it a little more flavor, right? Boom, right there. And then I'll add a subheading and write by someone who's almost lost their child to AI. When you sign the PDFs, you want to make sure that, it's relatable, right? Like it's coming from someone who has been there before. You get what I'm saying? Same ordeal. Now, this does not have to be something that's very visible. It's just there, to be there, right? So boom, right there. When someone really wants to, know what's going on, they will go out their way to see this and read this, right? Now, when you do this right here, what you can also do to make sure this, speaks to people even more is this. This is something I like to do right here. So let's bring this down a little more, bring this up, and then we're going to click add a subheading again. And then we're going to come back to PDF Trend Lab and see what, what subheading PDF Trend Lab gave us. So insights into integrating AI education and preparing children for future technologies, blah, blah, blah. So that is a little too much. So we're also going to shorten this into something that's punchy, but, makes the potential customer understand what we're selling, right? So now let's go to ChatGPT and see the subheader ChatGPT gave us, because when we gave it the prompt, we did not add the subheader that, PDF Trend Lab gave us. We just gave ChatGPT the title. So let's see if it gave us something shorter and more punchy for the potential customer. A practical, calm, no panic guide for raising capable, thoughtful kids in a world where screens algorithm. Okay, so this is still too long. So I'm going to copy this and say, make this subheading shorter, but still as punchy. So let's see what it comes up with. A calm, practical guide to raising thoughtful kids in a world. Boom, right there. I don't even need to finish reading that. Copy, come here, paste, and then I'm just going to drag it. Obviously, you want to make it smaller so it fits. Typically, I like my, my subheadings to be on one line. However, sometimes that's not always the case. So let's drag this right here to see what happens. Boom. Okay. So we need to even make this smaller. Boom, boom, boom. A calm, practical guide to raising thoughtful kids in an AI-driven world. Boom. Right there. And then you want to come here and you can make this smaller. As far as in the cover, the most important thing is having a title that hits and strikes emotion, right? And then having an image that is obviously going to either show the problem or the outcome that they're supposed to have after they read your PDF guide. It's as simple as that, okay? And if you want to see how, to add the pages of the PDF guide, so, all these pages right here, then I have a full course, a full step-by-step course on this channel. I'll also link that in the description of this video. It'll show you how I'm doing everything I'm doing in this video, but like step-by-step, how to push every single button, okay? But don't stop watching just yet, because I'm going to show you a marketing strategy that's, going to show you how to market with $0 on ads. So keep watching. But then after you design the cover and after you, create the pages and whatnot, where the actual content of the PDF guide would be, the next step is to go ahead and build your landing page and your website. So what I typically use is Shopify, okay? You see a lot of people using Etsy and whatnot. No. If you want to convince a complete stranger, on the internet to buy your PDF guide based on, search terms people are searching for right now, you can't rely on Etsy traffic and stuff like that. You want to be able to actually put your PDF guide in front of people who are potentially going to purchase that guide, who are potentially search for something like this, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go on Shopify. I'll also leave a link to, where you can get Shopify for $1 for 3 whole months, okay? That's a crazy ass deal as opposed to paying $29 a month. You get what I'm saying? So use that link if you want Shopify for $1, okay? So once you get Shopify for $1 for 3 months, you're simply then going to design your website exactly like I show you in the course that I've also linked in the description and pinned comment of this video. It's completely free and it's right here on YouTube. You get what I'm saying? Watch that to see how I design my landing pages, because your landing page is key, okay? When someone goes and they see your PDF guide, your ad or whatever, then they go on your website, but then they still have to be convinced. You get what I'm saying? And what I show in the course is, it just makes sense why I make so much money selling PDF guides, because I understand the psychology of marketing and I show all of that and how to do it step by step. Obviously, if I did that right here in this video, it'd take 10,000 years. And plus, I've already done it recently. So go watch that video, okay? If something changes, I'll make an updated course. But nothing changes really when it comes to selling products online. As long as you understand the psychology of marketing, then it's pretty much the same every single time. You get what I'm saying? So once you're done with your website, the next part is marketing. For this marketing, how do you do it with $0? So all I'm going to do is type in parenting and see what comes up. Parenting tips came up, and I'm simply just going to scroll down until I find influencers, like personal influencers, not a big company or anything, just a regular YouTuber, right? So I'm going to find a regular YouTuber that posts content. So for example, Child Mind Institute. They have 56,000 subscribers. And, you know, this video has 31,000 views. So I'm going to open them in a new tab and just see what their, you know, channel is all about. How often do they post and everything like that. So they do post 2 days, 6 days, you know, but they rarely get any views, so I'm not gonna use them. During this process, what you're looking for are influencers that are not too big, but also not too small. So anywhere from 50 to even 200,000 subscribers, right? You wanna look for those influencers and you wanna make sure that, you know, their views match their subscriber count. So for someone with, you know, 56,000 subscribers, I mean, 52 views is pretty insane, right? So I'm not even gonna waste my time with an influencer like this. If you have 56,000 subscribers, you should be getting at least 5,000 views per video on average, and then some outliers like, you know, videos that hit 10K views, 20K views, even 50K and 100,000 views here and there. You get what I'm saying? You want, you know, it to be at least 20% of the subscriber count, the view, subscriber ratio, right? So you're just gonna, you know, search until you find something. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and obviously search until I find an influencer that meets that criteria, right? Because I'll probably be here for hours, right? But even looking here, 5 parenting rules that change everything, boom, boom. Let's just open this one just to see. Okay, so this is a personal influencer. They do post frequently. And they do get pretty decent views, 3,000, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000. So this is an influencer that she has 200,000 subscribers. Now, these views don't match her subscriber count. She should be getting at least 10,000 views per video on average. However, she posts frequent enough. She's a personal influencer. And she does get a few thousand views per video. So she's not big enough to be making a lot of money from YouTube AdSense revenue and getting crazy amount of sponsors. But that's where you come in and reach out to someone like this and say this right here. So what you're seeing right here is just an example of an affiliate offer. This is how you want it structured. And you can literally pause it, screenshot this, whatever you want. But the main thing is you can ask ChatGPT to literally create you something like this. If you screenshot this and just say, make it for, you know, a creator that will be selling my PDF guide titled, Don't Let AI Take Over Your Child. But what you want to focus on is you want to make sure that this right here is the same, okay? This is how I structure, you know, my free marketing every time. I will give you literally 50% commission on every sale. The guide is $27, so that's $13.50 per sale to you. You get what I'm saying? So for someone like this that isn't getting, you know, enough views to make a lot of money from YouTube AdSense and to be getting a lot of money from sponsors, that's going to light in her brain like, oh, I can make $13 for every sale that I, you know, get without any ads. Affiliate marketing, okay, where you just give the creator 50% commission is one of the easiest ways to make money without spending money on ads while you're selling a PDF guide. I've literally given you everything you need. The product research method. I'm giving you Shopify for $1. For 3 whole months. And the step-by-step course that'll show you how to do everything I just said, you know, step-by-step. For those of you that might not have any experience at all, but hopefully this video helps you out. Hopefully you start taking action. And yeah, good luck.